already before the election could start. It was very clear that 24 election, it is pro-incumbency, it is pro-Modi. There will be no opposition, and it will be completely favoring the good leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Probably that is a very good indication. The exit poll is what been already predicted. This is what the indication we have been getting all the while. Probably that is what will be seen in the tomorrow's counting, probably on the June 4th. The counting, the exit poll, it will be much more than that. We are expecting it much more than that, and I think that will be the reality.
Sir, Rahul Gandhi has said this is a fantasy poll and media is biased. Even the exit polls are all rigged.
See, as a opposition, what else can you expect from Rahul Gandhi? He's been very desperate. He tried his best, but people are not favoring him. And completely NDA governance, NDA parties have been very well accepted. The good development and the nationalistic approach and the divisive forces, anti-national, all the opportunistic alliance has been completely rejected. The opposition agenda or their divisive politics has been completely rejected, and pro-incumbency Modi and NDA team has been completely accepted, and that is how it's been very well received. So Rahul Gandhi is not in a mood to accept anything. Tomorrow, anyhow, once the counting starts, I think that will be the reality. Even then he has to accept whatever result will be announced.
So how do you respond to this scam in the corporation, sir, where a minister is being wanted for amassing money?
Always Congress has been known for corruption. They want always taka-tak money. So taka-tak money, they wanted to loot the state, the treasury. When the key of the treasury or the management of the treasury is being given to their hands, imagine the people who are supposed to take care of the treasury are looting the treasury right royally. They wanted taka-tak money. What they've been telling my people, taka-tak money, the taka-tak money has been taken up by the Congress people for the elections, for this election, for the funding, for their own benefit. They've made this money. This Honorable Chief Minister has to respond, and he is accountable. Somehow he is keeping a silence. It is real shame. And the people who should have taken care of the treasury have looted the treasury. This is what the taka-tak example of Rahul Gandhi is done by Nagendra, is done by the Congress government in the state of Karnataka. The Rahul Gandhi advice has been very well taken here.
Sir, a lot of